Oh, okay.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sam and his new camera.
Yeah. I forget I can talk. The first upwind leg.
No. Details. Thursday night races from the Mobile Yacht Club. Today is Thursday, September the 16th.
2010. And we have a lively crew on the Evelyn 32, Scotty the captain, Ellie the skipper, Frida the first mate, Sam the second mate. And all the other crew abandoned us.
Yeah, somewhere out there on one of the boats.
That's right.
What do you call him? What's the guy, the English guy that... Benedict Arnold. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, the Benedict Arnold's out there somewhere.
We've got a moon tonight, so it should be pretty later on the last leg. And we go out this way, and then we tack to the starboard, and then we head up in that direction for 2-3 miles until we get there that way. And by that time it's dark and we're all getting up on. Then we have a nice easy run back this direction going north, and we finish in front of the Dog River entrance, and then it's back to work. That's right, the margarita leg.